Hello, my happy littles. I'm so happy you're doing a wonderful job learning to read. Having mastered at and sounds, let's look at the new magnet. This is our app magnet. Let's see what magic it can do for us today. Oh, look, it got letter C. C says K. K. Now let's say both the sounds together. K, app, K, app, K, app. Let's say it fast. Cap, cap. Yes, a bright yellow cap for your head. Cap. Who's next? That's letter M, and M makes the sound hmm. Now let's say the sounds together. App, app, map. Faster, map. Yes, that's a map. Let's look at the map. Who's next? Oh, look, that's letter T. And it makes the sound T. T. Now let's say these two sounds together. T. App. T. App. Faster. T. App. Tap. Tap it is. Can you tap your fingers with me? Do you know there's another tap? Look, that is also a tap. Tap. And that's the last letter, N. And N makes the sound Now let's say the sounds together. App. App. Nap. Faster. Nap. Nap. Yes, nap. Shh. The baby is taking a nap. Nap. Wow, you built those words so fast. Now, are you ready for the sentence challenge? Let's go. The first one. The man has a map. The man has a map. Let's say it fast. The man has a map. Good job. Next one. I can tap on the map. I can tap on the map. Let's read it fast. I can tap on the map. Well done. And the funny last one. A cat sat on a map for a nap. Oh my! A cat sat on a map for a nap. Let's say it fast. A cat sat on a map for a nap. That's really funny. A cat sleeping on the map. And it's time for a quick recap. K, app, cap. App, map. T, app, tap. App, nap. Good job. And look at you. You read 3 sentences. I'm so proud of you. It's time to say goodbye. See you soon. Keep practicing because you can do it.